Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how you can check for plagiarism using Google Doc, or how you will be able to check or compare two documents using Google Doc, and you will be able to find similarities between the compared documents. How to use to compare the document? We have to go to this tool option, then we will find an option called compare document. We have to click this one, and then we have to search a document that we want to compare. That document also need to be present in the same drive. Let me search the drive and select the document I want to compare. Then I will click open, and whatever differences and similarities we have in the document will be reflected as a comment in the generated document, and what name you want in the comment you can write here. If I will write something called demo, then all the differences and the similarities will be reflected as a comment with the name demo. Now I will click on this compare option. I can select this one to include comments from the selected document also. If I don't want the comments from the particular document, I can skip this one and I can click compare to generate the comparison report of these two documents. The comparison report is ready to use, and we can open this one and we can check what are the similarities we have between these two documents. You can see what are not present in the second document and what are present in the second document, all are reflected in this comparison report. These three lines is not present, and then these are similar with the first document, and you can see all the report are reflected here as a comment, and you can find out which are the similar things that are present in the second document with the first document. It is a very useful tool if you are using Google Classroom and you are taking submissions of student. Then using this technique you will be able to see if someone have copied from other student or not. So very simple technique to use, and this generated report will also be available in your Google Drive. You can go to your Google Drive, and this document that you have generated will be available in your Google Drive also. You can find the document anytime you want. So I have shown you how to generate a comparison report, and comparison report will be useful when you want to compare this particular document with some other Google Doc document. Thank you for watching this video. For more contents like this one, you can subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.